Assault as a verb refers to the threat or attempt to strike another, whether successful or not, provided the target is aware of the danger. The assaulter must be reasonably capable of carrying through the attack. In some states, if the assault is with a deadly weapon, such as sniping with a rifle, the intended victim does not need to know of the peril. Other state laws distinguish between different degrees, first or second, of assault depending on whether there is actual hitting, injury, or just a threat. Aggravated assault is an attack connected with the commission of another crime, such as beating a clerk during a robbery, or a particularly vicious attack. Assault as a noun means the act of committing an assault. Assault is both a criminal wrong, for which one may be charged and tried, and civil wrong for which the target may sue for damages due to the assault, including for mental distress.